Want to make your next trip smoother and more fun? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of travel hacks, uncovering expert tips that will make your journey easier and more enjoyable. From ingenious packing techniques to savvy money-saving tips, and even secrets to navigating airports and public transport like a pro. So, why settle for less when you can travel smart and stress-free? Stay tuned as we unveil these expert travel hacks that will revolutionize your travel experiences. First off, let's delve into packing hacks. Yes, packing can be a nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine you're gearing up for your next adventure. You've got a mountain of clothes and essentials to fit into a suitcase, and it feels like a game of Tetris that you just can't win. That's where our first packing hack comes into play. Instead of folding your clothes, try rolling them. Not only does this save space, but it also helps prevent wrinkles. Next up, we have packing cubes. Consider these your best friends when it comes to staying organized on the road. Packing cubes are small, lightweight containers that are perfect for grouping similar items together. No more rummaging through your suitcase for that elusive pair of socks or your favorite shirt. Everything has its place, and every place has its thing. Lastly, let's talk about multi-purpose items. The more functions an item can serve, the fewer things you need to pack. For example, why bring a separate beach towel when you can use a sarong instead? It's lighter, takes up less space, and can be used as a beach blanket, a sun shield, a makeshift bag, or even an emergency skirt. Remember, it's not about cramming everything into your suitcase. It's about packing smart and packing light. With these packing hacks, you'll find that you can pack more efficiently and have everything you need without overloading your luggage. Next up, we have money-saving tips. Who doesn't like saving a few bucks? When it comes to travel, a little frugality can go a long way, allowing you to enjoy more experiences for less. One of the biggest expenses during travel is airfare. However, budget airlines can be a game changer. They offer some incredibly low fares that can slash your travel costs significantly. Don't be put off by the no-frills approach. Remember, the purpose of the flight is to get you to your destination. Once you're there, you can spend the money saved on experiences that truly matter. Another crucial aspect of traveling on a budget is food. While it's tempting to dine in fancy restaurants, eating at local markets can be a more economical and equally delicious option. Local markets are often teeming with a variety of foods that give you a taste of the region's authentic cuisine, all at a fraction of the cost you'd pay at a restaurant. Plus, it's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Accommodation is another area where you can save a lot. Consider options like hostels, guest houses, or even couch surfing. These options not only reduce your expenses but also provide an opportunity to meet like-minded travelers from around the world. Transportation within the city can also add up. Instead of relying on taxis or ride-sharing services, why not use public transportation? It's usually much cheaper and gives you a feel of the local way of life. Better yet, if the distances are short, consider walking. It's free, healthy, and you'll be able to explore the city at your own pace. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of free attractions. Many cities offer a wealth of free or low-cost experiences, from parks and museums to historic sites and festivals. Do your research before you go, and you'll be surprised at what you can see and do without spending a dime. By implementing these money-saving tips, you'll find that you can have a fantastic trip without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about navigating airports and public transport. It can be a challenge, but with these hacks, it'll be a breeze. First off, let's tackle airports. They can be intimidating with their sprawling layouts and bustling crowds. But here's the secret: check in online. It's a simple step that saves you time, allowing you to bypass those lengthy check-in queues. Plus, you get the bonus of securing your seat in advance. Next, and this is a real game changer, get yourself familiar with the airport layout. You can usually find these maps on the airport's official website. Knowing where your gate is, the nearest restrooms, and where to grab a quick bite can save you from unnecessary stress and rushing. Now, let's shift gears to public transport. Whether it's a city bus in New York or a tram in Amsterdam, these systems can seem complex. But don't fret. There are plenty of apps out there designed to simplify public transport for you. Apps like CityMapper or Move It provide real-time updates, routes, and schedules, making it easy to plan your journey. Another golden tip is to always have a backup plan. Public transport can be unpredictable, and having an alternative route can save your day. It could be as simple as knowing the next bus line that takes you to your destination or being aware of the local taxi services. Now, for those who are planning to use public transport frequently during their trip, consider getting a transport pass. These can offer unlimited travel within a specific area and time frame, often saving you money compared to buying individual tickets. Lastly, remember to stay alert and keep an eye on your belongings. It's easy to get distracted in a new place, but a moment of inattention could lead to a lost wallet or worse. With these hacks, you'll find that navigating airports and public transport is not as daunting as it seems. So, go forth and conquer your travel adventures with confidence and ease. So there you have it, folks. Expert tips to make your trip easier and more fun. We've journeyed together through the world of packing hacks, unearthing secrets that will help you fit more into less, ensuring you're always ready for any adventure. We've delved into the realm of money-saving tips, revealing how you can stretch your dollar further and experience more of what our beautiful world has to offer. And let's not forget our expedition into navigating airports and public transport, where we've discovered how easy it is to cut through the chaos and move with the confidence of a seasoned traveler. These aren't just tips, they are your secret weapons for turning potential trip disasters into delightful experiences.